Trump posted a "Embrace the Penguin" photo on X, but got roasted by netizens. Since when are there penguins in the Arctic? So, I used AI to physically correct it. This wasn't done with expensive paid software, but generated by the latest free open source model, Klein. It is no exaggeration to say it is an absolute all-rounder. From surrealism to Chinese landscapes, it is especially unrivaled in image editing. It's comparable to a free open source Banana Pro. Want to know how to spend zero money to turn your PS into an all-powerful AI tool? In this video, the most hardcore Klein practical tutorial on the web. I recommend saving this so you don't lose it. To make the demonstration easier, I deployed the workflow and AI application on the Runninghub cloud platform, so everyone can get started easily. First, look at a feature designers love. Want to make a soda can poster? No, 3D modeling needed. Open a logo in PS. Enter single image mode, and input prompts. Reference the logo to generate a black soda can white background. Wait a moment. Lighting and materials adapt automatically. The logo fits perfectly. Think the background is too plain? Just type in PS. Put it in a forest, put it in a desert. Look at this lighting match. You don't need to color grade manually. AI automatically blends the ambient colors in. Dual image mode is even more powerful. Find a reference image you like and place it on the PS canvas, corresponding to image 1. Put your product in image 2. Input the prompt. Change image 1's product to image 2's material. Change light to green atmosphere. Pixel level alignment. For e-commerce variants or creative referencing, this is simply a game changer. In text to image mode, the PS canvas size is the final output size. If you input simple prompts, the generated quality might be average. But if I use the prompt generation assistant to generate a more detailed prompt, the output quality improves instantly. Don't like the result? Click this number to generate a new image until you are satisfied. Single image editing mode is also strong. Input prompt. Change red wine in the glass to orange juice. Keep everything else unchanged. Success on the first try. No pixel shift at all. Look at removal, inpainting, and outpainting modes. For example, if we want to outpaint, select the area with the marquee tool and input the prompt. Remove the white area, and it's generated. Right-click to send to PS Canvas. There's a technical point here. Why is the prompt not outpaint, but remove white? Look at the V-comfyui workflow. The image actually generates a white background based on the selection. So, logically, it removes the white area to perform the fill. Since removal, inpainting, and outpainting are frequent tasks, I customized a dedicated version. Select the cup, just click Generate. Not only is the cup gone, even the shadow on the tablecloth is removed. Extremely high success rate. To add objects, select an area and write a glass of orange juice and half an orange. The perspective and shadows are also good. The principle behind this is I made an automated process where the selected area automatically turns green, making it easier for the model to recognize. Even raw output looks great. Combined with PS masks, non-edited areas can remain untouched down to the pixel. This workflow is very streamlined. The core is the single image editing workflow. I recommend choosing the 9B version model. The 4B version is more prone to limb distortion compared to 9B, so it's not recommended. The start and end of the image both use the layer style scaling node. Start, scale to 12K for processing. It's good quality and saves time. End, restores original image quality. Recommended parameter setting is 32 to ensure pixel alignment. I created an automated foolproof design for the whole process. Beginners don't need to understand Comfy UI at all. Just click inside PS to use it throughout. Finally, some honest words. This Klein model based on Flux 2 architecture is truly amazing. 4 steps to generate an image. The speed crushes closed source paid models. But there are downsides. It's prone to color casts, but that can be saved with color grading in PS. When outpainting large areas, limbs occasionally get distorted. In that case, I recommend using Fill 1 Reward Model Assistance. On a side note, the previous Z image turbo was a flash in the pan. The editing model kept getting delayed. I feel Z Factory's biggest contribution was pushing Black Forest to the edge, causing them to open source Klein directly. Any company that open sources is a good company. What more could you ask for? Class dismissed.